Hey there, Jim Strick here and Eric Newman, and we are the principals of the Masters Lending Team.
Mhm.
We're a nationally ranked mortgage production team that has over 25 years experience, and we've closed well over $1 billion in mortgage loans. And today we have an incredible success story for you guys about how we help somebody. So Eric,
Mhm.
take us off.
Yeah, thanks, Jim. On this particular story, this was a gal, we'll call her Mary. She came to us looking to do a cash out refinance to be able to consolidate debt. So for this gal, she had a property with a lot of equity in it. She had a very small mortgage balance, but she had over $100,000 in installment loans and credit card debt, and they were literally eating her alive. Just to give you an example, she had monthly payments just to keep everything at minimum levels $3,800 a month. Yet her monthly income was only $5,500 a month before taxes. Jim, do you see a problem with that?
Certainly on a debt to income ratio perspective, right? And when we're thinking about these things, we're always
Mhm.
looking at ways to improve cash flow, increase tax acceptability, and just make things easier for everybody on a monthly basis.
Right. Yeah. So that was debt to income ratio really is even a bigger deal than credit score when it comes to qualifying somebody. And it's a disqualifier more often than credit score. We looked at doing a cash out refinance to literally consolidate everything into a single loan. But even doing that on traditional terms, she couldn't qualify. She didn't have enough income. And so with that, we took a look at her age. She was 57 years old, and that is old enough in many states across the country to actually do a reverse mortgage. And we first approached that to her, and she said, "No, I'm going to retire in 7 years, and this is the only inheritance that I have for my kids. I don't want to see a mortgage balance on the house. I want to have it paid off and all that kind of stuff." And so we made the suggestion to her. We said, "You're not going to qualify for the cash out refi, but if we do the reverse, you can still make payments." So we showed her that doing the reverse, that's about a $150,000 loan. We did the reverse mortgage, wiped out all of her other debt, wiped her existing mortgage. So technically she didn't have a payment anymore, but we told her if you pay $1,300 a month, you will actually wipe out your loan balance in 7 years. And then you will get to retain a line of credit, which the reverse provides for as long as you still live in the home. So if you have a home repair come up, if there's some kind of damage and you need to replace your roof, maybe there's a medical emergency, you have fast access to cash. You're not paying on it if you don't draw it. So it accomplishes so many things for this gal. She cut her monthly outflow by $2,600 a month from where she was, freed up cash flow, and she was able to accomplish her goals and still will be able to have her house paid off in that 7 year period of time.
Yeah, what a tremendous solution. And that line of credit does grow every single year as well
Yeah.
and can never be revoked. And so talk about having a lifeline, a way to automatically tap into your home equity in the event that you need it without having to
Mm-hmm.
qualify for it, without having to apply for it. It's just there for you to maybe offset other income taxes on maybe qualified distributions or reduce things on IRMA. Just a lot of great things that afford you when you have that line of credit growing for you. So awesome. Very cool.
Yeah,
Eric,
yeah,
take us away.
it's just another tool that so many people don't know that exists that they may have access to it. So anyway, you can call us for details and we could run your scenario to see if something like this makes sense for you, or maybe there's another plan of action that might be creative and out of the box. We represent the number one mortgage broker in the nation with over 200 lenders and thousands of programs. So if there's a way to get this done, we're going to be able to do it. Visit us at mastersoflendingteam.com or give us a call directly at the numbers listed below on the email that you just received. Have a great day.